Well, I'm heading into Memphis, Tennessee. That's the one place in this world I can get some good to eat. I'm hungry for some loving and some fried chicken. Goes down greasy and finger licking. I know just where to go. There's this woman I know. She shakes it up right and lets it simmer real slow. Memphis women and fried chicken. Memphis women and chicken. Over on Union there's a good old cow. She can smoke a pig, she can fry some fowl. She's got biscuits in her oven, cornbread in the pan. I get by to see her every chance I can. I catch a whiff when I turn the corner. My mouth starts to water and I'm gonna for them Memphis women and fried chicken. Memphis women and chicken. Well, I take my old guitar and I go down on Bill, play a little blues and get a real good meal. I don't care if whiskey ever hits my lips, as long as I get a taste of them barbecue ribs. Up on the bluff, makes a living making pies. Got the chocolate covered fingers, dark blueberry eyes. Got that light powdered sugar sprinkled on in her hair. Her apple turnover is beyond compare. I catch a whiff when I turn the corner. My mouth starts to water and I'm gonna afford it. Memphis women and fried chicken. Memphis women and chicken. Now that's the way about Memphis. Every time I go down here it speaks to my senses, because they got that fried chicken. Fried chicken. Fried chicken.